Next up today, we have Ronaldo, who is a Devshop regular, telling us about the WordPress JSON API.
Hi, I'm Ronaldo. I just made this Atmosphere plugin to interact with WordPress sites using the WordPress JSON API plugin. And these are some websites I made a couple of years ago. And here, this is kind of like the regular PHP site, and it has data. So through WordPress, I set up a publish subscribe setup, and then have a couple of session variables that will walk through pages and then show tags and so forth. So this is another site where I implemented that and Meteor routers. So you have kind of these various slugs that you can go to. All right, that's about it. Questions?
So is the idea to, what are you integrating? Are you integrating posts from WordPress?
The question was what am I integrating exactly? And I'm integrating, it's just this plugin, this WordPress plugin for WordPress. So you have a WordPress installation, you have this plugin, and then you can query this plugin, and then that data gets pulled into Meteor.
So it's not using DDP specifically, it's like talking to someone else's external REST API?
So the question was, it's not using DDP, it's talking to someone else's REST API. And yet initially when you make the initial call, it pulls in data and then stores it as regular Mongo records. So then as subscribes, will just return what's already cached. So the question, or the answer is essentially for the first call, it just makes a regular JSON call to the database, and then.
So it would allow you to use a WordPress install as a CMS for your Meteor site?
Yeah, the question or the comment was it would allow you to use a WordPress site for Meteor installation, and yeah.
Would it be reactive? Check that.
The question is would it be reactive? And yeah, if you go in and erase all the data in the database and has to remake that call, it uses an upsert. So for each time anyone logs into the website, it'll make the call, return what's already there. But if there's new stuff, that stuff would change onto the website.
So if someone in the admin, not but if someone using the
WordPress, right?
WordPress,
Yeah.
adds a new article, it'll get pushed to.
Well, depending on how the publish subscribe method is implemented, but yeah, it would be very easy for you to just call the API and then just retrieve whatever's changed. Yes.
How do you deal with all the different WordPress fields, tags, all that kind of thing? Do you collapse it into one collection?
Oh, the question was how do we deal with all the different WordPress tags and fields? And it's all in. Right now, it's just designed how this JSON API plugin works, and it has. I let them take care of it, but if you were to do it normally, you would kind of have to interact with the WordPress database directly using MySQL. So there's you get a response that essentially includes all of the taxonomies and the way WordPress manufactures it, which isn't really ideal for Meteor or Mongo, but it's what I have for now, and I just wrote this a couple of days ago. But the intention is to eventually implement direct MySQL access to WordPress to completely negate the need for PHP installed.
Any other questions? All right, thank you.